Welcome all. Today, November 13th, Sunday, tomorrow, Monday. Let's take a look at the market conditions, see what market looks like. All right. So, as you can see right here, we have a 200 moving average resistance right here at the red line right here. That's where market is trying. So, that is around, target is around this area, 407. That's the resistance we have. Now, do you think we're going to go up there? Well, looks like right there. So, if you see right here, that was the bottom, second bottom rising. So if you see one bottom rising, this was the fail out, support and bounce. So that's the bottom rising, means we could go higher high. So yes, absolutely looks like we are heading north. But you think it's gonna happen in tomorrow, Monday? Well, that we have to decide. Okay, that is difficult. So because the whole new week starting, remember, that's the whole new week starting. Right now market looking bullish. And why? Because we still have a lot more room. Look at the oscillator right here. We are a zero cross and we are in a bull territory. So MACD is in bull territory. What does it mean? That means it has a lot of power. Now the bull's gonna pull up here and has a power, but doesn't mean tomorrow could be a red day or could be a green day, because it's a fresh week starting, right? And market wants to go north. That's what it looks like. Why? Because all the cyclical stocks, all the sector rotation. So let me show you something here. So last whole 1 week, just the 1 week, okay, it could be 2 weeks, we can look, but this is the 1 week. If you can take a look at the communication, moved 9.4%. What does it mean? What is there? All heavily shorted stock. Dish Network, Meta, Paramount, all these are heavy stock. They just went up 27, 24, 20%, 20, 19%, 13% up. So these where the money moved into last 5 days. Then where the money came out of, energy right here. Energy money came out of last 5 days. And also money went into technology, as you can see right here, technology sector right here. So these PayPal, heavily shorted stock. Look at that, 31% of SolarEdge, PayPal, Applied Material. These are heavily shorted stock. So money, look at that, 19, 18, 70%. These all the money went into this area. So okay, so that's where the money was moved from the energy right here, moved money out of healthcare. Look at that, healthcare, a lot of money moved out of the healthcare. So if you look at where the money moved out of healthcare, right here, a lot of money moved out of the healthcare right here. Then energy, okay, look at that, energy right here, energy moved out of here too. So yeah, that's what it basically look like right now. Also money moved into material also. So if you take a look at the Dow Jones, let's look at the DJI. So if you look at the Dow Jones, is super duper bullish, right? So we have major sloping resistance has been broken. We try to poke through right here, and I think we have resistance here, and then we might pull back. Okay, so this could be a good shot if market direction changes. Whenever the sector rotation happens, then DJI could go. So I'm gonna keep eyes on it, because oscillator is telling we are over on particularly on this one. We need to keep eyes on the sector rotation on this. But same thing, if you look at this is the Dow Jones, right? If you take a look at the Nasdaq is not, look at that, down. You see that? So now the Nasdaq is heavily shorted, right? So short covering going on. So if you take a look at the Carvana, just to give you idea, so many other garbage stock right here, they have been heavily, they've been up 30% up right here. Carvana, PayPal, right here, they are going crazy right here. So PayPal is up, Carvana. So all those stocks, if you take a look at it, those are all stock going up right now. Money moving from here to here. And also one more important part, the caveat in the coming week right here. You can see here $1.7 trillion option expiry on this November 18th, Friday. Okay, so this is right here, $1.7 trillion option expiry coming on November 18th. What does it mean? That's the time we got to be very careful, because market makers, they have to close all the books, right? When they want to close their books, well, whatever they've been shorting, what and all they've been shorting, we went through sector right here. So if you can see here, they've been all these where the money is moving out. Nasdaq, technology right here. This area they've been heavily shorted. So now they are filling up the area right here. So many stocks here. That's where the money moving in slowly. If you can see, Microsoft also is there. ServiceNow, many Broadcom, Seagate, they're heavily shorted. And plus, hold on, let me show you something. There's another area right here. Look at the Cathy wood right here, ARKK heavily shorted right here. Let's look into ARKK. Look at that, heavily shorted right here. See that? So this been beaten down to the rabbit hole right here. Like, look, it was, constantly went down from $670 to $30, right? So when they went down, now they are buying back. Yep, you see that? So basically, ARK is also up right here. And let me show you. So ARK went up from this to this right here. About 23% ARK went up, right? 23%. So that's where the money is moving. Okay, so but if anybody talking about, oh, market gonna go to the moon and stuff like that, guys, okay, look, there's a book. Market has to reconcile their bulls and bears. So that's basically they do. So they do reshuffling. So reconciliation, and this is how it exactly happening. And I showed you Nasdaq, I showed you Dow Jones, and I showed you S&P 500. You saw where the money moved into Dow Jones, right? Now the Dow Jones is over DJI is overextended right now. So maybe this is the resistance, maybe anytime pullback, and then option expiry. Keep these option expiry in mind, 19 November. So there will be a time where they're gonna take the air out of the balloon of DJI a little bit and then put it into short probably. So I'm just gonna focus on S&P 500. That's what we need to focus on it. At this point we have a resistance here. We need to watch how far it goes. So maybe this week, few days, couple of days, looks like bullish. 2-3 days, but at the end we need to be very careful out here when the Friday option expiry comes in, because still they have a lot more to recover, a lot more to cover on the short side. That's why it's super bullish. All right, that's what I can see. So guys, see you tomorrow morning 9:30. Every day we are live and it's free. It's live streaming, free, morning 9:30 to 4 o'clock. Please join. Thanks. Bye.